Hello YouTuber and Viewmaster friend, 3D and retro enthusiast. We are very happy that you are here. Please keep your stereo viewer and the Viewmaster 3D reel set ready, which we show here in our video. Even if you don't have this 3D picture set yet, maybe you can just listen to our spoken text and imagine the motifs in your own fantasy world. Now listen to the following audio video while you take your time looking at the 3D images and switching accordingly frame by frame. This is the 3D Viewmaster Adventure Jungle Book, presents by Walt Disney. Viewmaster Reel 1. Picture 1. The wolf pack decided Mowgli, man cub, must leave. Picture 2. I'll take him to the man village, said Bagheera the panther. Picture 3. As they slept in a tree, Kaa, the python, seized the boy. Picture 4. Bagheera awoke just in time to rescue Mowgli. Picture 5. Next morning, Colonel Hathie's dawn patrol marched by. Picture 6. Mowgli joined the elephants to the disgust of Hathie. Picture 7. As the colonel scolded his son, the marchers kept coming. Viewmaster Reel 2. Picture 8. Pop, said baby elephant, you forgot to say halt. Picture 9. I won't go, yelled Mowgli. Bagheera pulled and kersplash. Picture 10. Mowgli met Baloo the bear, who taught him how to fight. Picture 11. Food is everywhere in the jungle, sang Baloo. Picture 12. As they floated in the river, monkeys seized Mowgli. Picture 13. They took him to their king, who reigned in a temple ruin. Picture 14. As Baloo chased the king, a temple column collapsed. Viewmaster Reel 3. Picture 15. As the king held up the temple, Baloo tickled him. Picture 16. The three friends fled as the temple began to fall. Picture 17. Baloo fought the tiger who had attacked Mowgli. Picture 18. The tiger fled in fear of Mowgli's fiery torch. Picture 19. Dead. Baloo heard a moving eulogy spoken by Bagheera. Picture 20. As they neared the man village, Mowgli saw his first girl. Picture 21. He followed, for now he knew he belonged with human beings. We want to add new videos every day, and if you don't want to miss any of them, subscribe to our channel for free.
And press the little bell. We are also happy to have a thumb up.